Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax documents from Robinhood. It's important to understand that Robinhood does not issue W-2 forms. W-2 are specifically for employees who receive wages from an employer. As a Robinhood user, you are an investor, not an employee, so you will receive different tax documents. We'll cover which forms to expect and how to access them easily for your tax filing needs. Instead of a W-2, Robinhood typically provides Form 1099-B, which details proceeds from broker and barter exchange transactions, like stock and option sales. You might also receive Form 1099-DIV for any dividends or distributions earned from your investments. Depending on your activity, other forms such as a 1099-INT for interest income or a 1099 MISC could also be issued. These are the documents you'll need for tax filing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. And speaking of keeping things clean and organized, imagine your home staying tidy while you handle your taxes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Accessing your Robinhood tax documents is straightforward. First, log into your Robinhood account, either through the mobile app or by visiting their website. Once logged in, look for the Statements and History or Tax Documents section within your account settings. From there, you can easily download all your necessary 1099 forms as PDF files, ready for you or your tax professional to use for filing your taxes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.